I'll show you how to clear and delete Microsoft Edge from your Windows 11 computer step by step. Create a restore point or system backup before proceeding. Open File Explorer, navigate to this PC, and then to local disk, C. Go to Program Files, x86, Microsoft Edge Application, and then open the folder with the version number of Edge. Open the installer folder. Hold the Shift key, right-click in an empty space, and select Open in Windows Terminal. Paste the provided PowerShell command into the terminal and press Enter. Confirm the action through the User Account Control (UAC) prompt. Thanks for watching. If helped